My name is Miriam McIntyre Hughes, or May Mac as they call me, and I'm a poet amongst other things, and I'm here today to write some poetry with the children about science in general. I think science is very important for children to have a love for it, because everything we do, everywhere we go, everything we hear and see can be explained by science, and the more they understand science, the more they'll be amazed by the world. Poets are traditionally people who look at everything and are amazed at everything, and if we know lots about science, we get even more amazed, and that's why I think it's important for kids to get involved in science. Usually we think about introducing science to children by experiments and practical things, but thinking about science by writing poetry is also a good way as well, because then they think more about things like, yes, this is incredible that we can actually do this, but how can we do this? The poem today is about all the things that we know if we have an interest in science, and the last two lines says something down the lines of, how do I know all these things? Because science told me so.